Hello explorers, welcome to Exploring Creation with Earth Science. My name is Ezra and I'll be your guide as we set off to explore God's amazing creation together. We'll travel to some towering mountains, deep oceans, vast deserts, and take a look beneath the surface of the Earth. Along the way, we'll see firsthand how God is the creator of everything, from the tiniest grain of sand to the mighty forces that shape Earth. We'll be traveling in the Lab Exploration Vehicle. The Lab Exploration Vehicle is more than just a vehicle, it's our moving lab, exploration center, and field base. From here, we'll launch into some amazing adventures, discovering how God designed the Earth to be a great place to live. We'll also be doing some activities in the Lab Exploration Vehicle. Feel free to watch how I do the activity first before you do it yourself. Grab your backpack and your notebook, and let's head to the Lab Exploration Vehicle and get started.